One down, two to go. So now let's do the Ryobi. Let's just move the Mitsubishi out of the way. Oh, this thing is heavy. Well, compared to the other two. I need to put down some bricks though, so I can leave the engine running. Oh, bear with me. Whoa. Okay, so now put the camera down so I can get the Ryobi. This one's a lot lighter. This one can be a bit funny to start if you don't let it run for a while. Oh, I need another brick. Sorry about this. Down. What's that like? Yep, that's good. Yeah, this one can be a bit funny to start if you let it sit. What does that look like? Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so turn her on. Choke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 primes. I think it fired. No choke. I mean half choke. Hang on. Told you this can be funny to start. Ah, almost. Ooh, smoke. That was hard, but the end result's good. Oh, look at all that smoke. This thing doesn't like being cold, that's for sure. Shakes badly. Will it rev?